What's good, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you're doing fantastic. It's jacobcrypobury here. I am your host today, Jake. We're going to look at the 5 best cryptocurrencies you can potentially get your hands on for April 2022. These offer the best upside potential as well as a really good entry price. And we can see what's happening at the moment. We're just getting a small pullback in the market. Bitcoin is down to $44,000. And this is giving us a bit of an undervaluation again in the short term, a potential dollar cost average opportunity to take advantage of these lower prices, because April looks like it's going to be a very bullish month, and so far it already has been. So we're going to start off with number 1, and it's LuckyBlock, the number 1 crypto games and giveaway platform where everyone is a winner. So this is my personal favorite, really, because it's just got some great news, and the news is basically that they're launching their iOS app, and they recently did this with the Android app, which led to exponential growth afterwards. So this will allow millions and millions of people to actually use this particular app, and it's going to really create more adoption and network activity. That's very, very important. In addition to this, they're going to be launching the Ethereum version of this token too, which will furthermore increase the adoption and the overall network use for this particular project here. So really, really good. It's a low cap gem, and since we've been speaking about this particular project on the channel, we actually have doubled the price now. We're looking at $0.003 all the way up from 0.0014. So especially good. What we can see is actually we've got quite a bit of resistance at this particular sort of 0.0038 level, and each time we do get rejected around here, but we're getting higher lows, meaning that we're looking pretty bullish, maybe setting up some kind of ascending channel or triangle for this particular project. So maybe get ready for an explosive move to the upside for LuckyBlock because of the updates that we've got coming out, and that's why I'm keeping LuckyBlock in my top 5, to be honest, guys. It's just that simple. Solid fundamentals, solid tokenomics, really, really good team, and the project is a real good blockchain protocol solution to modern gambling, and yeah, that's why I'm bullish on this one. So check that one out if you're keen. The next one is going to be Cello Gold, and I think this one is quite interesting. It's a layer 1 proof of stake blockchain, and why am I bullish? Because they have a good roadmap, and it's one of the most widely used tokens in Asia. We can see here Cello Gold has come all the way from $3.90 over $1.7 billion market cap, and right now we're pretty undervalued, around $1.3 billion from that big historical high of $2.34 billion. So we've got quite a nice undervaluation phase, it's quite safe to say. And we look at the RSI, it's also risen from 40 to 80. So why am I bullish? Well, if we look here, the CEO has announced this, which is Connect the World, and this is really, really big. The Cello Foundation is offering 20 million in rewards to wallet and payment providers to integrate Fiat Connect and offer robust on-off ramps to users around the world. So some pretty bullish activity right there. Cello Gold does deserve a spotlight because of this particular fundamentals, which I think will drive the price much, much higher over the long term. The next one is going to be, I can't believe I'm adding this, but I'm going to have to, and the reason is Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the reason because he's just become the biggest shareholder for Twitter, and that makes me think, he could do pretty much anything. He has got so much more influence and power than many people in the whole world, and this alone makes me speculate that he could be doing something quite significant. If we have a look at the historical price data, we can see $0.68 was one of our all-time highs. We have corrected a whole 85 cents, but we're coming out of this bomb from 11 cents, and we've already nearly put a 50% price pump in over the last few days. So things are looking quite good for Dogecoin at the moment. Elon Musk to join the Twitter board after staking 2.9 billion right there. So he has a big influence now. He's the biggest shareholder with 9.2%. And this is quite exciting. You can even see here, I'm excited to share that we're appointing Elon Musk to our board. Through conversations with Elon in recent weeks, it became clear to us that he would bring great value to the board. And I think we can agree with that. If we look at this recent tweet from Elon Musk himself, he says, "Do you want an edit button?" And since this, we just see the surge in Dogecoin's price. And that's what I think is quite interesting. He could integrate this in any single way possible. This kind of man, his ideas, his inventions, completely limitless. So if he does integrate Dogecoin to Twitter somehow, that's also going to create a massive surge in the price. Next one is going to be ZELEKO for me. ZELEKO, they've got the Metapolis, and it's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to their metaverse, their Web3, and their play to earn project. So this is very, very young at the moment, and since we got the updates, the coin is already up 300+% in the last 2 weeks. We've looked at this on this channel since $0.05, and we're now trading much, much more. This is the Metapolis right here. It was a tangible event, and this is going to show you what the roadmap is, and also how e-commerce can be in the future through the metaverse and virtual reality. Very, very bullish. Metapolis surges 80% over the 24 hours. So this is what we saw, a massive pump for ZELEKO, and it's still holding quite steady. So really big gains. Metapolis will allow luxury brands and enterprises to create digital products and economic leveraging blockchain applications such as NFTs. ZELEKO, head of metaverse and NFT, Sandra Heloy, told Forecast. So this is really, really big news for ZELEKO over here, guys. We can see what's happened recently. If we go to the 3-month time frame, this was the particular price catapult from the 26th of March 2022, and this is when we fell out or busted through the falling wedge. So really, really bullish activity. You see that $0.21 price level here for ZELEKO. I think this one is going to hit $1 this year. I just see it happening. I think there's so much going on, such a big team, and really, really bullish. So keep your eyes on ZELEKO, guys. Next one is going to be POWERCHAIN's Polkadot. Why Polkadot? Well, Polkadot is one that's been undervalued for a long, long time, guys, and really it's just one of those gems that you don't want to forget about when they're undervalued. The last time it was undervalued was in July 2021. We were trading at about $11, and we kind of got a similar setup going on with $20. We're pretty undervalued. You look at the previous all-time highs of $50, $53. Again, it looks like euphoria stage, get that distribution, looking kind of undervalued. So $20 is still a great entry for Polkadot. We're at $20 at the moment, $20 billion market cap, and rank 11 in the space. So I still think there's plenty of time for this particular project to grow exponentially. And what we've also seen in the last few days is a big boost in the increase of the total value locked. And this is one of our layer 1 infrastructure projects on proof of stake. And just looking at what happens, it shows how much these layer 1s can potentially grow, and it also answers why Polkadot is pretty much in my top 5 as well for April. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you smash the thumbs up, leave a comment, and let me know what you'd like in the upcoming videos. See you soon.